Our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to translate speech using your Whisper AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to translate your speech using Whisper AI, all you gotta do is simply use code often in Python via your Google Colab, or you can also use like different kind of GUI applications. So if you're using Python with your Google Colab or local, all you got to do is simply go and tap open your Google Colab. And once you open your Google Colab, you need to simply install your Whisper first. You need to install OpenAI Whisper or PIP install faster Whisper. And once you have done this, you need to install FFmpeg as well. So you can use Google Colab for a free GPU environment. And now you need to run the command. To translate the English, you need to use the dash task translate flag. Now to transcribe, you can use the dash language flag. After this, you can generate your text or subtitle files. So this way you can translate speech using your Whisper AI. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.